Hi Internet, as some of you may know, I'm currently developing Kando, a cross-platform Pi menu, which will be available for Windows, Linux and for macOS. You can already download this prototype version here and start playing around. Currently, I'm developing the menu editor, so this piece of the software which you will be using to edit those menus here. And in this short video, I want to show you the current progress. So you can open the editor by pressing the tiny button which pops up in the bottom right corner here once you open the menu. So the menu editor consists out of three main areas. So we have the menu preview up here, we have some kind of a toolbar down here, and an area for the properties of the selected item on the right hand side. The properties window and the toolbar are not yet implemented, but I'm currently focusing on this preview here, and this already works quite decently. So here you see an overview of the menu you had just opened. You can select the individual items, and here on the right hand side will be the properties of the selected items. If you select a submenu like this web links item here, the menu preview will transition to this submenu. And there is a back navigation link which you can use to go back one level. And if there's a submenu and a submenu, you will also have some kind of an overview up here, which you can also use to navigate to the root level of your menu. Yeah, and what also works already is reordering of the items. So you can grab one of these and drag them around and drop them somewhere else, for instance here. And if you do this with a submenu, for instance with this web links item here, then you will see that the sub items in this menu are reordered automatically, like this, to allocate some space for this back navigation link. So if I drop this here, for instance, the back navigation link has to be on that side. If I drop it maybe up here, the back navigation link has to be down here. And reordering the items is generally a bad idea for a Pi menu, because once you learned the location of an item, it shouldn't change position, as it will be really hard for you to select that item in the future, because you will have to basically relearn the item's location. Therefore, Kando will support a feature called fixed angles. With this feature, you can assign a specific angle to an item, and it won't change position at all. For instance, I have used this feature for the next and previous title items here in this audio submenu. So these two are fixed. So if I try to drag other items around here, those two won't change position. And this also holds true if I drag this submenu to another location. For instance, if I drag it maybe to that location here, you will see that the sub items haven't changed at all. Only those two down here, they are allowed to change position. So for instance, if I now drag this up here, the sub items will change a tiny bit. So you see they now are squished here to that side. Maybe I should drop one up here so that it doesn't look that ugly. Yeah, and you see this is a pretty complex thing to implement. If all the menus were as simple as that one here, this drag and drop reordering wouldn't be that difficult. But as soon as you incorporate those fixed angles, things are getting really, really weird. And I'm happy that it starts to work now. It took quite some time to implement this. A feature which is still missing, which will be next, will be the possibility to drop items into other items. So for instance, this web links thingy here is a submenu, and maybe I wanted to drag this item here into that. And that's currently not possible. It will basically always dodge, and I will have no chance to drop it in there. So if an item is a submenu, they will have to behave differently so that I have a chance here to drop something into that item. Yeah, anyways, I think that's it for now. I hope you liked the progress, and you can support and follow the project on my Ko-fi page. The link is down in the description as always. Yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.